I'm thinking of a tool that can help scientists see things that are very small.
Hi everybody, it's Eric, your science teacher. Today in science we are going to use microscopes. Microscopes are a tool that let us look really closely at things that are so small it's hard to see them with just our eyes. Microscopes are very expensive. They're also very fragile, and sometimes they can be challenging to learn to use for the first time.
Step 1. Before moving the microscope, make sure that nothing is on the microscope. When carrying the microscope, put one hand under it, one hand on the arm, and hold the whole thing close to your body. Always use a petri dish. Don't touch the objects you're looking at. So before you begin, place your object in a petri dish. Then you'll place the petri dish on the microscope, and then you'll be ready to start observing. Now you're ready to start observing under the microscope. Turn on all 3 of the light switches. That will make the light the brightest, and you'll be able to see the most. When you're ready to use the microscope, check the magnification settings. They'll either say 1x, 2x, 3x, or 4x. Whatever is the smallest number on your microscope, set it to the smallest number first. Using the dish, move your object around until it's right in the center underneath the microscope. When you're in that place, you might have to move it around until you can see a blurry image through the eyepieces. After you look, then you can start turning the knobs, and that blurry image should become crystal clear. If you're having trouble seeing anything, like all you see is black or all you see is your eyelashes, you can adjust those rubber eye cups around the eyepieces, and you can adjust the distance the eyepieces are from each other, closer or farther away. By making those little adjustments, you should be able to see very clearly. Do the work that the teacher asked you to do, and once you get the hang of it, use the bigger magnification, either 3x or 4x. That will allow you to see things even more close up. You can even take some pictures of what you're observing. Use your iPad and line the camera up with the eyepieces.
Can you hold this for me?
I'll talk.
I can hold it. I just can't get it. It's hard to get it in the
And be aware, it may take a few minutes to get the hang of it, but you should be able to get some very clear pictures of what you can see. And when you're done, or at the end of class, remove the petri dish, turn off the microscope lights, and then carry the microscope properly to its storage location. Now that you know how to use the microscope, check in with your teacher about what you will observe today.